Ever wondered why your phone's battery runs out so fast, even when you're not using it? You close your apps, lower brightness, and turn off Wi-Fi, but it still dies before the end of the day. Here's the truth. There's always one or two sneaky apps secretly draining your battery in the background. Today, I'll show you exactly how to find them and how to stop the drain for good. Let's start with Android. Go to Settings, Battery Usage. This may vary by brand. You'll see a list of apps ranked by how much power they've used. Pay attention to anything that's high on the list, especially apps you didn't open recently. If an app like Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok is near the top, it's probably running background services that constantly use your CPU or data. For iPhone, it's just as easy. Head to Settings, Battery, then scroll down. You'll see which apps are using the most battery in the last 24 hours or 10 days. So, what apps usually drain your battery? Here are the top suspects. Social media apps: Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok. Navigation apps: Google Maps or Waze. Messaging apps: WhatsApp or Telegram that constantly refresh. And surprisingly, even news or weather apps can be big offenders because they update in the background. Now that you know the culprits, here's how to fix it. 1. Restrict background activity. On Android, open the app Settings, Battery, choose Restricted or Optimize. 2. On iPhone, go to Settings, General Background App Refresh Off for apps you rarely use. 3. Turn off location access for apps that don't need it. 4. And disable notifications for apps that constantly ping you. It saves both power and sanity. Want to go deeper? On Android, you can use developer options, running services to see what's active in real time. You'll be surprised how many apps stay awake even when your screen is off. If something looks suspicious, uninstall it. Your phone will thank you later. So next time your battery drains too fast, don't blame your phone. Blame the apps hiding in the background. By checking battery usage and limiting background activity, you can easily make your phone last hours longer every day.
Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.